I've had a lot of people ask lately how to remove or install clip-in plate mounted stabilizers, or plate mounted stabilizers. They're not truly clip-in. Each of these stabilizers on the opposite side of the bar, they're going to have this little basically lock mechanism. Press on it with something hard enough and then lift up to remove them. To install them, same thing in reverse. Line up the wires with the notched part, push the wire underneath, then make sure that these are lined up and then push down, and ensure that the clips are fully against the plate and locked in place. You now know how to replace plate mounted stabilizers. Keep calm and keyboard on.